Check out this 2007 Chevrolet Colorado. This Colorado has just under 70,000 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 16 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 22 on the highway. This Colorado boasts a 3.7-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the LT Preferred Equipment Group includes standard equipment, seats, front bucket with LT Deluxe cloth, moldings, dark smoke gray body side, included with Z85, standard suspension package. Must specify if desired with Z71, off-road suspension package. Not available with ZQ8, sport suspension package, emissions, federal requirements, differential, automatic locking, rear, standard with Z71, off-road suspension package. Included with NW7, traction control on 2WD models, rear axle, 3.73 ratio. Refer to the engine and axle section for compatibility requirements. Must specify fog lamps, front, halogen, required with V4A, stream appearance package, regular production accessory, splash guards, molded, dark smoke gray included with Z71, off-road suspension package. Not available with V4A, stream appearance package. For additional GM accessory offerings and installation, please contact your local GM accessory distributor. Audi suspension package, off-road and the regular production accessory, trailer hitch. Call 888-905-2211 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.